Dear friends, welcome back to our channel Intelligence Inspirations. So today we will play games, AI games, or you can also call them AI experiments based on Google, and that is also made by Google. So today we will play a game called AI Duet. The requirements are a new computing device, internet connection, and a speaker. So let's start. So today we will search AI Duet. Okay, as you can see that it is written AI Duet. So let's click on this website, and now the searches are here. So as you can see, there is a website on the first. So we will click on this. Now the game begins. So as you can see, this is an AI experiment. So it's loading. In that, this is the game that the piano that responds to us back when we play it. So let's play. So when you will click on any key of the piano, see, as you can see, the computer is responding us back. You can play any beat as you like. So as you can see this, the yellow bars, the oranges, yellow bars are coming that the computer responds us to back, and the blue lines come when we are playing it. So today I am playing Saregama tone. So as you can play any tone using this AI piano. Thank you friends for watching our video. Bye for now.